What's up, guys? Mike again, back with a video, and for the first time this is the third video of the day. So it's live, no editing really involved, except for like if it takes too long, then I'm gonna edit it out. But today the next thing I'm gonna be unboxing is a tempered glass screen protector, and it's by a company called Trianum. So I'm not too sure how to say it correctly, but it is a tempered glass. It's three. It came in with three. I already opened it and actually installed it with on my wife's iPhone XS Max, her gold version. And if you're wondering what case this is the Caseology case. Make sure you guys go back into my channel and find out more about this case. This case is really awesome. I really like the look of it. Lightweight, nice grip on the sides, and just take a look at that. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up once again on my side. It usually comes with three. I already opened it, so let's see what it has inside the box. Do that. So you got your wet wipe, you got your dry wipes, you got one for each set. So if there's one glass, you got another one. So we're just gonna use one right now. We need to register your the product so that you guys can get the warranty, the lifetime warranty on it. Get your little stickers to get dust out, and like I said, it comes with three, but I got two left. So here's one, here's the other. I'll keep the other just for just in case. And it also comes with an alignment tool. So it instructs you which is top and which is bottom. So this is top and this is the bottom right here. But first we got to do is actually clean the screen. So I'm going to step over here to the side, and so that I can do this perfectly, because I don't want to waste. I don't want to waste. I'm not very good with installing screen protectors. I know most of the YouTubers out there who does install tutorials. They're pretty good. I mean, they do it probably every day. But just keep the phone as steady as possible, and also you got to clean the screen as much as you can, get the dust off and any debris at all. Okay, make sure you get the corners as well, because I did catch on my wife's install that there was some dust on the bottom of it. Okay, and we're gonna get the second one in. I mean the dry. There we go. And also, it's good to have a microfiber cleaning cloth, which I do have, but I'm not going to use it as of yet. I don't really need to use it. I mean, the phone itself is pretty clean. I mean, I haven't I haven't even activated the phone. So just give that a nice dry little pat down. Make sure everything is clean. Also, before you install anything, make sure your fingers are clean of any oils. Okay. All right. So that's done. So like I said, we're going to follow the instructions. You got to do top and bottom. So I'll go from the top first, and then I'll go from the bottom. Nice and firm here. Okay. There you guys can see. There you go. And let's go ahead and get the screen protector. So this is the screen protector right here. It says 9H on the level of hardness. So we're gonna peel the whole thing, and guys forgive me if I hit the camera, but I want to make sure I get this right. So I want everything to be perfect, so I just laid it on there. I'm sorry, that's my dog. Hey, what's wrong, buddy? Supposed to be bubble free, and not really. I got one little dust particle there, which I'm gonna rub out probably later on, but it's pretty simple. Get all the corners, get everything laid out. Alright, I'm gonna take this. Alright, take that off, and you can take your little a trick that I found is that if you use the alcohol swab, it has better grip on the screen itself. So when you want to clean it and get all these little air pockets out, it's a little easier. And through time though, that bubble or that little bubble is going to come out. It's not going to stay there forever. And if you do make a mistake, you can always there's always another one. That's why I love um, tempered glasses, or tempered glass that comes in like twos or threes. So, well, I'm pretty sure I didn't do a good job of it, but it's gonna go away sooner or later. But it looks pretty nice to me. So there you go, guys. That is the install of the tempered glass on the iPhone XS Max. I might get another one I might get a glass for the back to protect it, but then again, I'm going to be using the case a lot more. So, anyways, guys, if you like this video, please hit that thumbs up for me, alright, and comment down below. Let me know how I did, let me know what you think, and hope to see you guys next time. Alright, thanks.